Hi YouTubers, this is Zero M's and today I'm going to have a look at this activity board which my daughter uses for playing, and specifically I'm going to fix this double switch because it stopped working. So first of all I have to open it. I'm not very happy with the design because batteries are inside and they are soldered. I have to take it apart and check what's wrong with it, but probably batteries are flat. My daughter isn't also satisfied with the design. Nice. Okay, let's measure batteries, and they are flat. So now I'm going to remove batteries. Oh, my daughter wants to help me. I have to unsolder it. It's good to use new solder on it, then it's easier to do that. It's good practice to clean a tip after soldering and also during soldering. Let's measure batteries again. Yeah, they're both flat. Here are new batteries, and those are last IKEA batteries because they stopped selling them and they started selling just rechargeable batteries. So both batteries seems to be okay. And here are components which I bought in a local shop, which I'm going to use. Yeah, so this time completely without soldering. This is a battery holder where I'm going to put AA batteries, so I don't need to solder them. Yeah. Okay. So let's measure them. It should be 3 volts. Yeah, it is. And this component is something I really like. It's called WAGO compact connector. If you don't want to solder wires, you can just use these connectors and just join them. It's very easy to use. Yeah. Okay, I prepared the battery holder. Let's measure it again. And you can see it's nicely connected. So now I'm going to put it all to this case. It's going to be power supply for all electrical devices on the activity board. Yeah, it's nice. I have to drill a hole using this super device. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now it's time for cable. Yes, and it's going to be like this. I also like this tool, which is called wire stripper, and it's easy to use, and you don't need to use knives, which can be dangerous sometimes. Okay, so I'm going to use this cable to battery holder, and as you can see, it's really easy to use with this connector. You don't need to solder anything. Yeah. Let's connect the second terminal. Yes, it's all right. It's easy to open. I can very quickly change batteries. Now I'm going to fix the double switch. So again, I have to drill a hole. I'm connecting now the other end of the cable. Yes. And again, I'm going to use these WAGO compact connectors. Yeah, the first terminal. And connecting LED diodes. Now I have to put all together. The first screw, yeah, the second one, okay, and the last thing I have to do is to connect the second terminal from the power supply, and it should be done. Okay, yes, it works. Okay, let's put it all on the activator board. Yes, the second screw, yeah, still works, and the switches, yeah, perfect. Okay, it's time for testing with my daughter. Yeah. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let's catch up later.